In the mid-90s, mobile computing was becoming a way of life. But when the going got tough, Panasonic TOUGHBOOK got going. And in doing so, it created the rugged computing market. We took TOUGHBOOK into healthcare, into manufacturing, transport, utilities. We generated leads using email, video, online advertising, and web content, establishing TOUGHBOOK as the world leader in new markets and driving acquisition costs down from €300 to 19. The success of the TOUGHBOOK campaign meant it was time to draw together Panasonic's European marketing teams via an online, print-on-demand, and asset management system that saved over €900,000 in print costs in only its first year. Following that success, it was time to look at Panasonic's broadcast and professional cameras, security and communications, and visual systems. We helped develop a new brand for Panasonic Europe that promised to create a better working world. Again, marketing had maximum impact, while costs were driven down dramatically. Websites were created, refined, and integrated as one. Until, in 2015, Panasonic in Japan tasked us to head up the company's first global business brand campaign, in which we challenged customers to look beyond Panasonic's TV heritage and think again about the achievements this business technology was enabling around the world. The sales pipeline was sent rocketing, but the partnership wasn't all about glamour. We've spent 3 years working on a product specification database, and we've set in motion technological improvements that will transform every part of the Panasonic marketing operation everywhere in the world, and for a very long time to come.